Matt, finishing it off. Last two boxes of it all. Monte Irvin died in 2016, 34 of 53. Put a lot of his autographs back in the day. I didn't know he died last year. 2016 took a lot of people. But then again, so does every year. Adam, I believe they're like, I got a Division 5 box, Division Black Break, and then like 3 or 4 more singles. Number to 20, Joe McCarthy, died in 1978. I don't think this side had a 101 unless it was shipped or something. Joe McCarthy. There you go. Thanks again, Matt. We'll get it out, man.